Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a review testimonial over the Marine Tech Tools fill tube. It's a helm fill tube for your Sea-Star hydraulic steering. Use this when you're bleeding your steering or you have air bubbles in or something, and this is a pretty neat thing to use. So basically this end's going to screw onto your bottle of your fluid that you're going to put in the helm. This is going to screw into where your steering's at. You're going to basically hold the bottle upside down, vent it a little bit, and just let it naturally go in. But you're definitely going to want one of these instead of using like a funnel or something to pour it in. Night and day difference, trust me. This is going to be worth it every time you need to do this. You can see a little bit of fluid in there. I've used it a couple times. Every time I've used it, I just put it back in the bag and it's good for the next time. So again, it's the Marine Tech Tools fill tube for hydraulic steering, Sea-Star steering. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a great day. Thank you.